Now this is how blueberries ought to look. Right around the base of them is my little flowers. And I don't like to grow flowers, but Mama likes them. There's the blueberries. And look how these bushes are loaded. Absolutely loaded with blueberries. All I do is deep water them in the holes and add a little vinegar to them every once in a while. There's my deep water right there, the little pipe. I cannot get over the blueberries. They are absolutely loaded. And this is only 3 of 7. I have 4 more in the back over there. Like I said, compost, compost, compost. Look at this. Look at that. And you don't see any grass in here. It's all flowers and blueberries. And I mean, when I say blueberries, I mean blueberries.